Good day. This is Eugene Holden again, and this is March 8th, and these are the daily guides for this day. The daily guide for today is called Unity, the Essence of Inclusion. Genevieve Berend wrote, "You will be given constant suggestions by the Spirit regarding the sanest and most fruitful methods of living your own personal life in true unity with God." Dr. Holmes, the founder of Science of Mind, wrote in the Science of Mind textbook, "The circle of love is complete. It comprehends all, includes all, and binds all together with the cords of everlasting unity." Here's the daily guide. Inclusion requires work. Let's not pretend that it doesn't. It takes consistent practice to include everything in our lives. Unity is letting go of all sense of separation. It is important to know that we are not separate from anything. Whenever we experience what we call separation, guess what? It's only because we think so. Like Shakespeare said, it is our thinking that makes it so. The truth is, we are not separate at all. We are not separate whatsoever. Today, practice unity. Be unified not only with Spirit, God, or divine intelligence, but also be united with all of life. This means being unified with our good, our prosperity, and our perfect health. Also be unified with the people, places, and situations that may not be to our liking. If we are to be the change we want to see in the world, guess what? We must be unified with the change that we want to see in the world. As we practice unity from this consciousness, we start to live in oneness with all as well as with the all. Be one with love. Be one with life. Step into and live from the essence of oneness, from the essence of unity. And today's affirmation is a quote from Dr. Holmes. "There is only one life. That life is God's life. That life is perfect. That life is my life. That life is your life now." Peace and blessings.